2012's Superstorm Sandy meant fire and flooding for many regions hard hit. In West Virginia, it meant snow and a lot of it. The heavy, wet snow sitting on branches of trees still full of autumn leaves snapped many a trunk and branch onto the ground or onto power lines as power company workers and tree companies cleared branches that had fallen on lines taking out power to many homes in the area. With schools closed, Cato Park filled up quickly with families come to take advantage of the deep snow with sleds and, in one case, a snowboard as Daniel Callahan honed his skill on a jump-off point.